Japanese schools look peaceful. Uniforms, smiles, cherry blossoms. But step inside, and you find a different reality. It's not just a school. It's a training ground for society. Today, we reveal 3 shocking truths about Japanese education. Truth number 1, the janitor doesn't exist. In your country, adults clean the school. In Japan, the kids do it. From first grade, they scrub floors and clean toilets. It's called soji. It teaches them one thing. If you make a mess, you clean it up. Respect your space, or lose it. Truth number 2, the nail that sticks out gets hammered down. This is the golden rule of Japanese schools. Individuality? That comes second. Harmony comes first. Everyone eats the same lunch. Everyone acts the same way. It creates unity, but the pressure is intense. Be part of the group or be alone. Truth number 3, teachers are not just for math. They are life coaches. They grade your posture. They grade your manners. They even check your bag. School isn't just about knowledge. It's about building the perfect citizen. This is why Japanese streets are so clean. It starts here. Strict? Maybe. Effective? Definitely. This system built the safest country in the world. But could you survive 12 years of this? Tell us in the comments. Check the shorts to see more.